welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. I haven't done a smoothie bowl video in so long. It feels like forever since I've done one of our traditional smoothie bowl recipe tutorials. So it's almost Halloween and I couldn't let this month go by without teaching you how to make my famous pumpkin spice smoothie bowl. Now, I've already technically shared this recipe. I've done it on TikTok, I posted it on Instagram, and it popped off. I've gotten so many DMs and pictures from you guys sharing your pumpkin spice smoothie bowls, and they're absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to get this recipe up on TikTok and walk you through the process, showing you step by step how to make this amazing bowl. Now, be sure to watch to the end because I have a special guest in town right now who's gonna do the taste test. So if you love smoothie bowls and you're excited about this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell so that you are the first one who is notified every single time I post a video. I'm really excited because this recipe is gonna be just a little bit different than the one that I posted on TikTok and Instagram, because before I used my 310 vanilla protein powder. You guys know how much I love 310 Nutrition. Their protein powder is so yummy. It's one of the only ones I've tried that doesn't have a weird aftertaste. It doesn't upset my stomach, and I love it because it's a really clean product and it's also vegan. So I always add a scoop of protein powder. This vanilla kind is my favorite. But for the month of October, it's a limited flavor. They just came out with pumpkin spice protein powder. You guys, I am so jazzed about this. My bag just came in the mail. I haven't even tried it yet, but I have to try a scoop of the pumpkin spice protein powder in our pumpkin spice smoothie bowl. I think it's just gonna make it taste so good. It's gonna take it to the next level. So as always, if you wanna try the 310 Nutrition protein powders or any of their other products, you can use the code NTNOMAD to get a discount. I'll put the link and the extra information in the description box below. You've gotta get your hands on this pumpkin spice protein powder. I haven't even tried it yet, and I already know it's gonna be delicious because everything they make is so amazing. Okay, let's get into it. So for those of you that ask, I use a Vitamix 5200. I have linked it in my smoothie bowl starter kit, and you can find that link in the description box below. But we always start with a little bit of liquid. Now, you can always add more liquid, but you can't take liquid away. So we're just gonna, oh, my milk is not even open. We're just gonna add a little bit of milk to start. Just a splash is all we need. If you really like to measure, it's about 1/4 of a cup, not so much. Remember, you can always add the liquid, but if you add too much to start, then it's gonna not be as thick. So the first thing we're gonna do is 1 frozen banana. I always use frozen foods when I make my smoothie bowls because that's how you get it super, super thick. Right, now we're gonna do about 1/2 cup to a cup of frozen mango. Now, my OG Nomad Nuggets know this about me, but if you're new to my channel or if you're new to following me, you might think this is kind of weird. I always add a little bit of frozen riced cauliflower or frozen butternut squash to my smoothies because I'm always looking for ways that I can level up my smoothie bowl, make it a more balanced and nutritious meal, and sneak my vegetables in. You literally cannot taste it. But by adding the frozen vegetables, you get a bigger smoothie bowl and you get more volume with less sugar. So here I've just got a little combination of both. We've got about 1/3 cup of frozen riced cauliflower and then 1/2 cup of frozen butternut squash. And the last thing we're gonna do is some pumpkin puree. We're just gonna do a little bit of this. This is just gonna give it that nice little pumpkin flavor. We're just gonna add about 1 scoopful or about 1/4 of a cup. We're gonna do just a splash of vanilla so it tastes like a pumpkin pie. Beep, beep. And then we're just gonna do a little dash of cinnamon. And if you have pumpkin pie spice, you can add a little bit of that too. Basically, pumpkin pie spice is just a blend of cinnamon, cloves, allspice, and nutmeg. So it's like a bougier cinnamon. But I have some, so I'm just gonna do a little sprinkle of that. The last thing we do is a scoop of our protein powder. Again, I always add protein to my smoothie bowls to make it a more balanced, well-rounded meal. Again, if it's just fruits, it's just a bunch of carbs and sugar, which is why I add the veggies in, and then I love getting that protein in. And we're gonna add some healthy fats to the top once we decorate the bowl, and then we have a perfectly composed, balanced bowl. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm so excited. Y'all better jump on that 310 Nutrition website and get this before it's gone because I have a feeling this is gonna be a hot commodity. Okay, pumpkin spice protein in. We got 1 big old scoop in there. And now let's blend. If you want more details and specifics on how to get that really thick, creamy smoothie bowl and how to blend it, watch my other smoothie bowl tutorials where I show you how to use this blender so that you can get that perfect consistency every time. Alrighty, now my favorite part of making the smoothie bowl is the toppings, because I basically just put anything that's pumpkin spice on the top. When I made it on TikTok, I did this pumpkin spice RX bar. I did 2 pumpkin spice JoJo's from Trader Joe's. These cute little petite pumpkin spice cookies. They're like little circus animal cookies, but they're pumpkin spice and they're shaped as pumpkins and they're so stinking cute. And then I did a little pumpkin spice peanut butter drizzle on the top. And then I topped it off with the best thing ever, pumpkin spice mochi. All right, let's get this sucker in the bowl. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Here we come with the swirl. Now we'll get our pumpkin JoJo in there. Cute little pumpkin cookies. Here comes our RX bar. Give it a little crown. Ladies and gentlemen, here's my special guest. It's all about me! This is my friend Sarah. She's from Nashville. She's my TikTok twin. So many of you have probably already either seen her videos or seen the collab that we did a couple months ago, but she's in Los Angeles visiting me right now. So she's gonna help us out today and do the little taste test with us.
I will be very helpful, actually.
Oh my gosh. What's your verdict? What's the final answer on the pumpkin mochi? Is it good?
It is a 9.5 out of 10.
Oh my gosh.
Solid 9.5 out of 10. And I learned today that mochi is not pronounced mochi.
Really?
I thought it was. Yeah.
I think it's mochi. Wait, comment below if you think it's pronounced mochi or mochi, because I thought it was mochi. I really did think it was mochi.
I trust you. You eat these.
I'm actually gonna stick it right in the center.
From the Jungle Book.
It's gonna be like Rudolph the Red-Nosed. That's his nose.
I just realized that you're doing that. That's really cute.
I'm about to do a peanut butter drizzle. For those of you that don't know Sarah, she's like the female version of Weird Al Yankovic. She's a singer-songwriter superstar who's gonna be really famous soon, so you better go follow her. But she creates wholesome raps, and they're really funny and really good. So, Sarah, I have a challenge for you. I'm about to do my signature with my scissors. My signature!
I'm afraid of you.
I'm famous for my peanut butter drizzles on my smoothie bowls and then my signature spin. And I'm about to do both of those things right now before we finish the smoothie bowl. And so my challenge to you is to make up a rap. I want you to improv something fun while I do my peanut butter drizzle. Are you up for the challenge?
Yes.
She's up for it, ladies and gentlemen. I give you Sarah Maddock.
No pressure. Okay.
Here we go.
I'm ready.
Go.
We are doing stuff with pumpkin spice. So good, I'm gonna lose my eyesight. Like the 3 blind mice. Pumpkin spice. You know the movie P.S. I love you. It stands for pumpkin spice. I love you.
I'm dead. Keep going. This is great.
And I really want to hug you when you're making me a smoothie bowl. Because your name's
Hey,
Nicole.
hey.
Your name is Nicole.
What?
And she makes a lot of really good smoothie bowls.
My name's Nicole. I make smoothie bowls. I'm Nicole. I make smoothie bowls. Go. I'm dead. And then I pick it up midway. And look at here, I get my close-up. Y'all are seeing the BTS right now about how I get my balls.
It's really pretty.
Here we go. Just want to get that close-up so y'all can see how beautiful it is. Here's the thing. All smoothie bowls are pretty. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and no smoothie bowl should be made to feel less beautiful. So you're beautiful. What am I saying? I'm literally talking to my smoothie bowl.
You're affirming it. That works for plants.
Amazing. Yeah. Would you like to test it?
Yeah.
Oh, also, really quick before she taste tests, this is important. I know you're still gonna watch because you want to see her eat it, so I'm gonna tell you this before so that you listen. First of all, subscribe to my channel. Second of all, I'm relaunching my merch. The merch closed, the campaign closed, but I'm relaunching it. So if you didn't get your smoothie bowl merch or your Do Stuff merch, click the link down in the description box. I've linked it. Merch, merch, merch. Great Christmas present. Just saying. Ready?
Yes.
Together.
Together.
Together now.
Ooh, peanut butter.
Ooh.
Wow.
Whoa.
You know what I think? Hold up. I think that it's impressive. It's something that I'm really obsessed with.
Hey!
That it's really, really festive.
Oh,
We're making a pumpkin spice smoothie bowl, and I know that you think that I'm breathless, cause I'm dancing really hard with the smoothie bowl.
So get your pumpkin spice protein powder, use NT, no it for a discount, and you saving money. I need to take lessons from you.
That was excellent. I'm kidding.
No, seriously, you guys, that adds flavor. Like, I've made this bowl before, and it was really, really yummy with the vanilla. So if you want to do the vanilla, totally do it. But if you want to grab a hold of this limited time pumpkin spice protein powder, I think it's worth it. This is fun, especially if you just, I haven't tried this yet, but just mix it in with milk and have it as like a pumpkin spice, just like a shake after a workout. How bomb would that be?
Very bomb. Also, I approve of the nutrition facts, like the carb and fiber breakdown, the protein. Like
it's such a clean product.
Yep.
It's vegan. Again, link is in the description. You can use NT Nomad for a discount, but this particular flavor, pumpkin spice, is very limited. So if I was you, I'd just smash that link and get yourself some so you can join the pumpkin spice party.
Smash it!
Wow, yummy, this was fun. Thanks for joining me.
You're welcome.
So fun. Everybody go follow Sarah. I'll put her links down in the description box so you can check her out. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved learning how to make this smoothie bowl with our funny interpretive rapping dance moves in the middle. But be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Please give this video a big thumbs up and comment below what other smoothie bowl recipes you want to see, any types of videos you want to see on this channel. I just love you so much, and I'm so thankful that you're part of this family. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.
Bye.